imagine. So let me show you the picture of, where is this thing going? Sorry. Need to see the Malamut first. All right. It's the first one, this beautiful Siberian. Yeah. So I called, if you like, you must not call your own at the title, you must not call it by the name. I call my own Obladego. These are names that we give to thief in my village. Uwi, Oboda, Adanehi, Abulaje, Ejekpa, Uheitoyin. And these are not personal, like in case if you are lying with something else in your language, I don't mean to hit anyone. These are Idoma words. Ejekpa, all those things. Yeah. Question, please. So because we cannot be just teaching, we need to know whether you are following. Now we put our heads together to do this exercise. So we expect you to practice it and to make sure you are in the same level that we are. Where is Ohi? Is Ohi here? Because I heard that she submitted hers. Somebody was saying something. That could be blessing, right? Were you saying something? So what you guys should tell me, where are you lost? Where? Okay, Sin. Hello?
Yes, sir, I'm out of the house. I'm out of the house. When I get, I don't know if I'll reach my house before the class ends.
Okay. That's
I actually did the assignment, but before the question came, I was already working with what I saw. So I used pastors, general overseers of churches in Nigeria to just try to get something like this.
Yeah. It must not
So
be
I'll share it when
it must not be my picture. That is, it must not, I'm just a lover of security dog. So it must not be this picture. If you can fit in any other picture, the good news is the box sizing helps you a lot by, making every object here elastic. Otherwise, you would have seen that the picture one is down, another one is up, like the arrangement would never be very, very in order. You would have to like do a lot of width here, or start giving them each ID. Like, you start addressing this thing as each a page.